Hi folks, we're back and now we're going to look at our renovation project on our first level here. But now we're going to deal with the walls. We're going to do some painting and everything. And then we're going to look at here in our floor plan. Just want to tab these views here. And let's just focus on the floor plan here. So right now, this is what we have, and this is a door that's probably going because they got this freezer here. So now we want to do what we call interior elevation. So I'm going to select here the elevation, create, and then I want to select this guy right here in the center. So you just place it right in the center. I'm going to cancel it now. And what happens is you zoom in here, you'll select it, and you can tick these marks. I know everybody should know how to do this. Tick these marks. And these elevations will, okay, wait a second here. Sorry, folks. Just select this and just take that check mark. So that will be the interior elevations for the front area. And we can do one here. We can go and individualize the bathroom, but you know, you always have to have interior elevations for painting and whatever. So if you go here and you double click this, there's the elevation for that wall, and so on and so forth. But let's go back to level one, and then we'll need one in the bathroom and in the kitchen. So let's place one here. So we need to show all the walls, you know, for various reasons, painting or whatever. So that, so that. So now what we do from here is basically this. We can tick these, you can double click these guys, and these are going to be views that we can use, that we're going to need. And we can turn the furniture on or off, whichever we like. And then to do your finishes for interior design individuals, people, it's basically the same thing. You can paint or whatever. You just go in and select this wall, and you can, or there are a number of things you can do. I want to try this for I'm going to try to just paint it. So I'm going to go in the Manage tab here, and you hit Materials, okay? So these are all the different materials that we have to choose from. Okay, whatever opens. Okay. So now I don't have anything, any flat, let's see. So we can add and create materials, but I want to just show you how you would change the wall coloring and everything. So I'm going to go with parking stripe. Nope, don't want it to be that color. Let's just create a material right quick, or just a paint finish, a paint finish. So I'll go paint right here. Enter, and we'll go with just for now. We'll go. I'm gonna just go just in wallboard. Okay, apply. And we'll go graphics, we'll use render appearance, apply, okay, because it's probably going to be a white color anyway. So this is how you do it. So then you just go in here and paint, go to modify. Okay, sorry. Let me go, okay. So now, what we want to do here is modify, and we want to select this guy here. We want to paint, and we're gonna use this here, the different paint materials. Now we can create them or whatever, but we wanted the gypsum wall board. It should be in here. It's this key right here. There you go. You said gypsum wall board, and then we'll just paint it. We'll paint it. Let's look at this realistically. Okay, and I want to undo it just to show you that this is going to be gypsum wall board. And we can paint it and create any color we like here. Wow, slow tonight. Okay. So there you go. So that's the gypsum wall board. We'll do these over here as well. We can always, we can always change these colors to something else. Say, for instance, we wanted a different color here. So let's just go and paint something else. We go paint. No, I'm sorry, we go paint. Let's go remove paint. See what that looks like. So we select this and remove the paint, and then we can go paint again here and select, say, let's just select this here just to see what it's like. So select it, go paint, and we'll take this one. Okay, so anyway, I just wanted to show you this quick little video about these finishes. So what I want to do, maybe in another video, because I don't like making long videos. Let's go paint again here. Let's go back to our gypsum wall board. You select that, and you click done. Now another way you can do this, which probably would have been a better way, is just select it, and again we go to properties, and we edit type here, and we'll set the list guy, and then we'll go to the gypsum wall board here, and we can get that a material. So we can say, I think we'll have to create something there. But for right now, I'm going to leave it there. I just wanted to show you how to make these elevations. So basically we have our level 1, and we have our elevation, call it our elevation view set to go. So that would be 1 elevation, and so on and so forth. So hey guys, thanks for watching. We're going to get this wrapped up soon. I'll show you how to do the wall finishes to paint this interior. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and look forward to talking to you in the next video. Bye. Be safe.